When it's time to change your filter on your Bestway pump, it is very easy to do. Let's walk through it together. You're going to want to make sure that it is turned off, because we're going to need to use our vent plugs and go ahead and stop the water from being able to flow in or out of the pump. First thing I'm going to do is loosen these clamps so that I can remove my jet. And I'm going to put my stopper in there. Going to do the same thing for my intakes. Just kind of have to wiggle them until they come out. There we go. And I'm going to put my plug in there as well. Okay, one more. I'm going to loosen this one and grab this one and pull. Just got that one. Again, we're going to plug our hole so no water can get into the pump or out. We do keep our pump underneath of a table because we live in Southwest Florida and it is so very hot that we just know that the plastic won't last as long if we don't protect it. Underneath here it still gets kind of dirty, but I'm going to loosen this top here. You're going to have water start to leak out, and then I'm going to open this so that I can take my top off. You just have to kind of pry it off. Keep in mind, I am doing this with one hand. There we go. Set that to the side. And then what I do is I just remove my filter. Shake it out just a little bit. And we're going to take it over to the hose. So what I do is I use the strongest jet setting I can on my hose nozzle. And then I simply put it on its side. You have to be careful because the water will shoot back up at you. And then I just kind of spin it as I go with my feet. As you can see, pretty dirty. And I let it spin. And then once I get all the initial dirt out of the filter, just kind of a once over, then I will pick it up and I'll hold it to the side like this. I'm going to go around each little area. And you can kind of watch until the water is running clear. So because some of the dirt gets stuck down in this bottom area, once I go around a couple times, I'll just flip it over and I'll go the other direction. And then you can see that you get some more dirty water out of there. And I'll do a little back and forth again. But it's really easy to clean. Okay, she's all cleaned up. Let's go put it back in the pool. Okay, I'm going to put my filter right back in. Just kind of press it down lightly. Put my little cap back on and press it down. You have to put it on nice and evenly. Press it down. Put your screw cap back on. Tighten it up. Now, I'm going to leave this top open so I can bleed the air out of the filter when I turn it on. So I'm going to leave this open so that when I unplug my okay, I have put both my intakes and my jets back in place, and we're ready to go. Okay, she is running beautifully and happy. Good flow again, because the cleaner it is, the better the flow. I hope that video was helpful for you and you are enjoying your Bestway pool and filtration system as much as I do every day in the summer.